So I'm currently doing the demo for my student project. So I have a 360-degree servo motor that I will be controlling. It requires 5 volts of power, so I'm using a separate board I have just to take grounds and 5 volts and give that to the motor. This wire here that goes into the motor comes from my board here, and it controls the high time of the PWM cycle, which controls the speed and the operation of the motor. So I have it programmed so there's 3 modes, so off, clockwise, or counterclockwise. So if this top LED is on, that means we're in on the off mode. If the second LED is on, that means it's clockwise, and the last LED on, that means counterclockwise. And then these 3 LEDs right here, they signify the speed. So if they're all off, there's no speed, and if they're all on, it's max speed. And then if just like one on, it's low speed. So currently we're in the off operation mode, which is why the motor's not spinning, this light is on, and there's no speed. I'll change it to mode 1, which is clockwise. So it is now spinning at a medium speed in the clockwise direction, which we can see by the second LED being on and 2 showing the speed. So I will decrement the speed to make it slower. So I'm doing so by this wire, so now it's saying that this is a slow speed. I can keep going, and I can slow it down into the slowest speed possible, and then it'll stay, even if I keep decrementing it, it'll stay at this speed in this operating mode. And then if I want to increase the speed, I'll increase it, and I can keep doing so until we see it's now medium speed, and I'll do it until we get to a high speed. So now we're at a high speed. This is the max operating speed of the motor in this mode. So I will now change the mode to clockwise, counterclockwise, sorry. So it's off, I'll move it to counterclockwise. Now we're at a medium speed. I'll do the same thing, I'll decrement the speed. We can see the motor slowed down, and then I'll make it a little faster. And that's too fast, so we'll slow it down a little bit. But yeah. So that is how it works. Thanks.